We've helped many clients over the years in purchasing their residential homes, whether it's their very first home or a multi-million-dollar home. We've helped clients renovate and flip homes. We've helped them with long-term rentals and short-term vacation rentals. Well, what about a campground or resort? Have you ever dreamed about owning a campground or resort but don't know where to begin? How do you value the campground? What are the tax implications and advantages? How do you get lending? How do you write the purchase agreement? It's all been put together in one workshop, and if you're interested, take a look. If you would like to learn what it takes to purchase a campground, this is the place to be. The 2024 Campground Buyers Workshop held January 20th and 21st in Tallahassee, Florida. This industry-specific workshop will help educate buyers on the ins and outs of purchasing a campground and give you the tools needed for a successful purchase. The guest speakers will cover all the steps to obtain a successful sale, including how to create the value of a campground, with guest speaker DeWard with the Campground Connection. Lending information including down payments, types of loans, credit scores, preparing a business plan, and projections for future income with guest speaker Paul Bosley with Business Financial Depot. Allocations of purchase price, depreciation, and prorations with guest speaker Donna Bordeaux with Campground Accounting, due diligence, and the asset purchase agreement, and why certain items are very important to be included with guest speaker Marilyn DeWard with the Campground Connection. This workshop will answer the frequently asked questions and also open up, allowing buyers to ask specific questions of the panel of speakers. Lunch will also be provided to the attendees on both days. Listen to what other buyers have said after attending this seminar.
Hi, my name is Jesslyn Anderson, and I came to the conference here in Myrtle Beach with Marilyn and DeWard. And this has been the most amazing experience that my husband and I have had. We left our 2 babies at home to come, and we were worried about doing that, and it's been such an investment for us. We have learned so much from them. They've covered the ins and outs of everything that we've needed to know, and they're both very trustworthy, and we won't purchase with anyone else.
Hi, I'm Sunny, and my husband Jake and I attended this amazing event hosted by Marilyn and Dick. We have learned so much, and we're interested in pursuing this as a lifestyle. We're looking forward to buying a campground in the near future, and we appreciate all the steps that they've given us to be able to do that.
I'm Tanya Schaefer, and I attended the Buyers Workshop this weekend, and this was an extremely valuable experience. No matter what your current position is in figuring out if you want to own a campground, what it would be like, Dick and Marilyn's workshops are extremely helpful. They bring in experts and people who have been at every phase, and they will tell you the good, the bad, the pros, the cons, and help you evaluate if it's the right fit for you and your life.
My name is Jenny, and I'm here from New Jersey. I've been dreaming of owning a campground for many years, but never really understood the business, really didn't know what it was all about. And I came down here, and Marilyn and Richard are wonderful. I have learned so much, and they have given us such valuable information that I know this is where I want to go, and I wouldn't have been that sure if I hadn't come here. And I've just got to say, they're wonderful people. They're real people. They're honest. And if you're even thinking of going in this direction, they're the best people to work with, and this is a great opportunity for you. So I highly, highly, highly recommend it.
Register now to reserve your seat for this Campground Buyers Workshop. If you have any questions, we are just a phone call or email away. We look forward to seeing you in Tallahassee, Florida.